Okay, since we have a fairly small kitchen, we're always on the lookout for quick, easy ways to better use our space. So when I heard about stove shelves, which is a way to let you add storage space right on top of your stove, I thought I'd check it out. So we found this stove shelf on Amazon. It had over 18,000 reviews with a pretty high average rating. It claimed to have zero installation hassles. I mean, supposedly you just stick the shelf on top of your stove and you're done. And yeah, I think I could handle that. It's constructed of high-grade steel, and it uses magnets to stay adhered to your stove. Also, the magnets could be rearranged if needed, and it was built in the USA. So I was sold. So we ended up getting the 30-inch shelf in white to match our trusty cutting-edge 20-year-old Frigidaire stove. And usually around $35, we saved a few bucks by getting the open box version from the Amazon warehouse. So here's the box, and let's see what we've got. So cosmetically, the shelf looks good. I don't see any glaring flaws in the white finish. So even though this thing was returned once before, I don't see any flaws that stick out to me. Structurally, the shelf feels great, totally rigid with no cheesy flexing. The magnets look good. And the lip on the back of the shelf should help a lot as far as keeping stuff from falling behind the stove. So that's a big plus for me. Okay, so the zero installation claim seems totally true. Once I slapped the shelf onto the oven, I was basically done. And the shelf has a perfect depth as far as leaving me access to the stove's controls, but still having plenty of room for our miscellaneous stuff. And speaking of stuff, once the shelf was in place, it was time to slap some stuff onto it. And check it out. It holds a lot of stuff. So the addition of the new shelf got rid of the traffic jam of bottles and jars that were in our cabinet. I'm going to check that out. That's way more space than we had before. So at the time of this recording, we've been using this shelf for about a month, and we've been very happy with it. It's been rock solid. When you grab something from the shelf, it's not like the thing teeters or slides around or anything like that. It's basically part of the oven. So I've got no complaints. So to sum everything up, good price, good quality, it was shipped pretty fast from Amazon, and zero hassles as far as installation and usage so far. So, good deal. So by the way, if you're interested in learning about other ways we've been spiffing up our 20-year-old stove, check out our stovetop cover video. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.